there's an important aspect of potty training that might be uncomfortable to talk about, but we kind of need to talk about this. A lot of parents get overwhelmed when I give this recommendation, so don't be alarmed, but I do recommend that every family does potty training at nap time completely bottomless. Don't click off the video yet, okay? I have valid reasons why this makes complete sense, so let's talk about it. Hi guys, my name is Missy Yando. I'm the owner of Slumber and Bloom, certified pediatric sleep consultant and dual certified potty training coach. I love sharing tips and tricks about sleep training, potty training, and all things motherhood. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and check out the description box down below and grab Potty Party the course if you have not started potty training yet. This is going to be your step-by-step guide to potty training. In this video, we're gonna talk about the whole nap situation, but in the course, we talk about the entire thing from before potty training all the way through the bumps in the road. So let's talk about naps. Reason number one why I don't recommend toddlers wearing diapers at nap time is because they should just be able to hold their pee. Their naps should not be longer than 2 to 3 hours, and most kids, if they're physically 100% actually ready for potty training, they should be able to hold it that long. 9 times out of 10 when kids are peeing or pooping in their nap time pull-up, it's either happening right at the beginning of the nap or right at the end when they're waking up from the nap. We are going to move away from giving them that because they just don't need it. Reason number two why we're not giving diapers or pull-ups during nap time while potty training is because we need to break the muscle memory that your child has from wearing a diaper 24/7 for the past every day of their life. So basically what that means is that when your child has been wearing a diaper or pull-up, I mean they're basically the same thing, interchangeable words, but when they're wearing a diaper, they have this muscle memory around their little tushies that is just reassuring them that they have their security item that they can pee and poop in. It's not something that they're consciously thinking about at this point until you start the full potty training process. So in order to break that muscle memory, we need to just not give it to them at all anymore. If you are giving it to them, or if they say they want their diaper back and you decide to give it back, then what's gonna happen is they're not gonna break that muscle memory. They're not going to catch on to potty training as quickly, and it's just going to elongate the process. If you're okay with having a longer process, then it's fine, but if this needs to be something you need to be done quickly and efficiently, then do not give the diaper at nap time. Reason number three is completely behavioral. Toddlers are smarter than we give them credit for, and what generally happens when we give them a diaper at nap time is that they learn that they can hold their pee and or poop for that diaper. A lot of times when I work with clients, one of their biggest complaints is that when they do have the nap time diaper is that they are holding their poop until then and they are just pooping in that nap time diaper, and then they're calling to be changed, and then the nap is ruined. Let's just off the bat, cold turkey, no diaper at nap time. And the fourth reason why you should not give diapers at nap time while potty training is because it just makes the whole process easier. Your child is learning their bodily cues during the entire process, not just for a couple hours in the morning and then having that relief at nap time and then a couple hours in the evening before putting on an overnight diaper. That's a topic for a completely different day. When you're giving your child a diaper for naps, it is making it easier for them to just continue with old habits and not to learn the new skills that they need to learn. So they will just learn, if I hold it for 3 hours, then I can pee and poop in my diaper, and then I'll just hold it for another 3 hours, and then I'll go to bed and pee and maybe poop in my overnight diaper. Hopefully not. But we want to teach them during naps that if they need to go to the bathroom, then they get up and go to the bathroom. And the biggest tip that I have for not having accidents during naps, which I put that in quotes because it's going to happen and it's going to take, you know, the duration of the process of potty training for them to catch on to listening to their body and going to the bathroom when they need to. Same thing for when they're awake. It's just the same thing at naps. But the biggest tip is to taper off fluids about an hour before they go down for their nap. Make sure that you have sitting on the toilet as part of your pre-nap routine, and of course like part of your bedtime routine, but we're not talking about nighttime potty training. But just make sure that they are always sitting on the potty before they go down for the nap, because what will happen is that your child might be calling for you, telling you that they need to go to the bathroom, and all the other things. I delve even deeper into all of the tips and how to navigate the nap time potty training in Potty Party the course. Check out the link in the description box down below, grab Potty Party the course, and Keep blooming. Mwah.